Today I'm sharing with you 5 protein foods that will keep you full and satiated. And these have helped me so far on my plant-based journey. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brenda. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. Okay, so the number 1 are chia seeds. Chia seeds keep you full, have good fiber, they do have good fats, and of course the protein. So you're looking at about 3.5 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. So if you add 2 tablespoons to your smoothie or 2 tablespoons on top of some yogurt in your oatmeal, and that's where I always for sure get my good protein in because I put it in my oatmeal. I make a chia pudding, and in that it requires a 1/4 cup. So that 1/4 cup right there is quite a bit of protein. So again, you really don't need animal products to get your protein. Not only are chia seeds filled with fiber and good fats, they are also packed with calcium, zinc, and iron, good nutrients that our body needs. And number 2 is quinoa. I know there's so many people that talk about quinoa that they don't like it. And I get it. Sometimes it does taste kind of bland. You know, they do have a few varieties. They have it mixed with wild rice. They have a tricolor. I tend to get the plain. I have put it in my smoothies, mixed it with my oatmeal, and honestly, you can't really taste it. And I do that to get that extra protein. And you know, everybody requires a different amount of protein per day, but I know so far this has helped me get my protein in. And you can cook it in your rice cooker. You can cook it, you know, per the instructions on the container, the box, the bag, whatever, to flavor it up. Put in some vegetables, put it in salads. I've also eaten it in my salad before. So again, you can figure out how it works for you, but you will get that protein in. And number 3 are hemp seeds. You are looking at 6.5 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. And again, hemp seeds are easy. You can spread them over salads, put them in your smoothie, put it in your oatmeal. I have this little container that I mix hemp seeds, chia seeds, cinnamon, and I sprinkle that on my oatmeal. I have oatmeal pretty much every day, so I sprinkle that on there. So it's very easy to add in hemp seeds. And number 4 is oats. Looking at 11 grams of protein per cup. Now that is easy right there to get in. And normally I do have either 1/2 cup or a cup of oatmeal, depending on how hungry I am, you know, every morning. I'll add in the hemp seeds, that mixture I was talking about on top of that. So I am getting a good amount of protein in. So I never really worry, am I getting enough protein? I know there's a lot of that going on, you know, about not getting protein in when you're eating a plant-based diet, but you are. If you're eating, you know, the right kind of foods, whole good foods, whole natural foods, you are getting in your protein. And again, oatmeal, you can have your oatmeal, you can add it in your smoothies. I've seen recipes that you can add the actual oats in your smoothies. You can make overnight oats. There's a variety of ways to get those oats in. And number 5 is nutritional yeast. Now this, in my opinion, tastes like cheese, almost like grated cheese or powdered cheese. It tastes decent to me. You are getting in 8 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. That is easy because you can just sprinkle it all over your vegetables, your rice, whatever, your salad, whatever you're eating. you can sprinkle that over. It's got good nutrients like iron, B vitamins, so you won't be lacking in getting that protein in. So there are many other options also for protein, but these are the top 5 that I eat, like I say, pretty much every day. So I just wanted to share them with you, especially if you're a beginner and you're not sure if you're getting in enough protein. These are some good examples of getting that protein intake. So if you've got other ideas to get your protein in, list them down in the comments. Share it with everybody. Don't think that you're not getting in that protein. All right, guys, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell. And I'll link this video here for you to watch. And until next time, have a good one.